Hello and welcome to the winter tournament sign-up series. So basically what will happen throughout the entire of winter, these 16 trucks will be racing on different tracks against each other to find out who will take the championship win over everyone. You'll get to sign up in only one truck, and there shall be several seasons, pun intended, where they race each other. Every season will have mostly different trucks, and what will happen? Points will be added up to see who won the most, or who got the highest amount of points. So now let's go into the trucks that you can choose. We have Megalodon with the cyan rims, and there shall be special events. So then if you choose like Gravedigger, Nitro Neon, it shall be Nitro Neon Gravedigger. So Gravedigger, Max D, Son of a Digger, Velociraptor, Dragon, and it shall be the Snowdrifter's Dragon sometimes. Jurassic Attack, could be the blue one. Fire Rescue, Zombie, Brodozer, Mohawk Warrior, could change again. Earthshaker, could change again. El Toro Loco, could be Overcast. Blue Thunder, could change again. Mystery Mutters. Bakugan Dragonoid, and Fuel Academy. So those are the trucks that you can choose from, and I shall see you in the next video.